Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I have played around with this stained glass effect, but never done it like this, and it looked pretty cool. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to take this. Oh, one matter of fact, I'm going to leave the black too. You kind of want to have the black just to kind of show you what it's going to look like. I don't know why that's taking so long to move over there, but I'm going to take my text and put it in the center of the page. Move this a little bit further. It's anytime, at least when I do an effects like on a bitmap, it slows down my computer because there's so much going on. So I'm going to show you how to, first of all, how to change the colors of each of these letters. I'm just going to take, there's several ways to do it. I'm going to show you both ways. I'm going to take the text tool and just highlight that letter and make it red. So you can do that on each letter, or you could take the shape tool and click on that and make it blue. Click, this is probably the easiest way. And just click on the little node and make it yellow. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring in a black box because it really makes it kind of stand out when you do the effect so you can kind of see it better. See how that doesn't look as good? So now we're going to zoom in and we're going to grab just our text. We're going to go to effects and creative and down to stained glass. Now there's a lot of settings you can do, and you can do the size, you can do the intensity, you can change the width of the solder, which was the black line. You can change the solder color, but you can make the sizes a little. You wouldn't want to. You wouldn't really want to do this. I think it was perfect for what I'd already done, but it does give you the option to see to do that. And that, to me, it makes it hard for like the E to read. So let's even make it smaller this time. So it's taking a little bit of time. I don't know what 3D lighting is. Let's see what it looks like. That might be pretty cool. I don't see that it did anything. That may be because of the black background we've already done. And then, I guess you have to uh, say okay instead of just, so let's grab it. Let's do it again. Let's grab the text, go up to effects, creative, stained glass, and I'm going to leave it just like it is. And then said I X'd out, so you want to be able to say okay. But like I said, you could change the solder. Let's just make it a little bit thinner. Let's put like 5. So every time it does that, it's got to go back through its cycle. I think the 15 looked pretty good, but we'll just see what this looks like. Yeah, see that to me doesn't really look as good. Let's go back to the 15. You got to hit enter. And like I said, you could change the solder color, but I don't think you'd want anything else but black. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two. And see, it kind of, to me, it kind of really looks like stained glass because it's kind of blending into the next color. Like that red has a kind of a purple. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.